Hi guys, my name is Louis Young. In this video, you will learn how to use the Cypress Cloud to connect your existing React and Next.js project. Cypress Cloud is the host service that helps you automate for your end-to-end tests and also can improve your quality of your web applications. I think it's a quite easy way to use the integration with your existing CI/CD pipeline. So let's follow me and see how it can be done. So let's create the Cypress Cloud account first. Write your name and also tick your job responsibility. So depends on you, but I tick all and click continue. Alright, so this is write your organization name and your website. So the organization name is same. The website I put it empty. And this is click your Cypress install on your project already or not. So I will choose the second one, writing my project first Cypress test. And if you have team member, you add. If no, just skip it now. So yeah, this is our dashboard. Alright, so let's create a new project. And the project name, normally I will follow the Git repo. So as you can see, this is the React Next.js Cypress project. So I will put React Cypress Cloud -test. So let's create a project, and the project access I put as the public. And yes, we need to set up our project right now. And as you can see, the Cypress Cloud asks us update this project ID to our cypress.config.js. So let's go to our repo to see. Alright, so normally because I'm using a TypeScript, so it's using TS. If you're using a JavaScript, it show cypress.config.js. So we need put under the E to E. Yes, just like this, and click save. Alright, so now we click add to my project ID already. So this is the provider. You can choose your provider. We have the GitHub, GitLab, Cypress CI, Azure, Bitbucket, AWS. But now I demo is using the manual setup. So I click the manual setup. Alright, so let's copy the Cypress record key over here. Copy the command and go to our terminal and just paste this command, and they will try to help us start to run our test case over here. And this will little take time, but I try to fast forward on this, and they will help us run the test case one by one. You can see they have the video and screenshot. So alright, you can see I have 3 test case, and these three test case also all is passed. So let's back to the dashboard. And we try to refresh the page. Alright, so you can see here have the initial commit. Alright, so back to the code, and you can see under the Cypress file, my repo have the contact, login, and spec, these 3 test case. So let's click in. Okay, you can see the running time is around 28 seconds. The test case running time, and you can see the test for review over here. And we can go to test results, see, yes, I have this test case. And let's click the view output. So this is the view output over here. You can click, scroll to the bottom or scroll top. And also, yeah, what platform using the Mac, and E to E, how many seconds. This is 1 second, and this is the login one is 5 seconds, and the last one is 2 seconds. And also you can see the status. If the status is passed, it's passed, and last modify. And also the specs. You can filter the file you want to just see the test case. And yeah, And the testing type is how you can do the component testing also. And what kind of the platform system. Okay, wow, you can watch back the video. So let's click. Okay, it's too fast. So let's replay again. Okay, you can see how the test case record the video over here. The Cypress Cloud record the video. Okay, try refresh again. Alright, you can see the difference. It's quite good for if you have the team member that can just direct go to the Cypress Cloud and just check. Alright, so now we try run the second run, the test run. So I try to change the search query. This is my personal testing project. And I try to search this to the Monty Smith. Okay, try to change the search query over here. Okay, save it and okay, and run the record key again. So let's see the result is how. It's same as just now. It's more little take time. You can see the trying the running the test video output also. Now it's running the login. Almost done. Yeah, you can see now the 3 test case is run finished. Let's back to the dashboard. You can see the initial commit. Now have the second one. Let's click in. Yeah, you can see the initial commit is by who, and also the spec, the contact page, which page is changed, and you can watch back the video. Okay, let's play the video. Okay, it's just now the changes. Okay, let's refresh again. Oh, it's very fast. Okay, refresh again. Okay, you can see the changes is how the video record is how. And also here you can see the runtime, browser is what, and the video, the output, the test code history. Yeah, the performance, everything. And also go to test result, the spec. You can see the spec, the duration is how many seconds, the run durations. You can see the full analytic. Yeah, and back to overview. Yeah, overall it's quite good. Yeah, easy to understand. Alright, so why choose Cypress Cloud? I list out the few reasons why I choose the Cypress. The first one is easy to use because the UI UX is quite good and the documentation is good and easy for you to understand, and also very good for the beginner. You can just start a few clicks and a few commands. So the second one is reliable. Cypress Cloud is built on the same open source, and also the scalable. I think it's suitable for the largest member teams and also the remote teams. Like I showed you before, it's very easy to track back all the test case and the overview because inside have the screenshot, have video, you can search by different branch also. And it's affordable because Cypress Cloud now is the offer for the free plans is up for the 3 user in the one project. And in the conclusions, if you are looking for the reliable, scalable, and affordable automated the testing solutions, I think the Cypress Cloud is a perfect choice for you. I quite encourage you to try do the sign up and the free trial today, like what I showed you before. You can know about how Cypress Cloud can help you to improve your code quality and for your software. So alright, so thanks for your watching. I hope this video is help you and help you learn more about what is the Cypress, what is the test case. If you have any question, please feel free to leave the comment on below, and stay tuned. I will do more video about what is the integration with the Slack and also how we can create the issue creation on Cypress. Thank you.